So this is one of the window rollers. I put it back on so I could show you how to take this little pin out. So I don't really understand why they didn't just use screws, but they didn't. So usually you can tell which way the pin was put in from. In this case, it's this side because it's sticking out slightly more from there. So a good way to do it is to take a really small Allen wrench and just put it through. And then this is gonna be kind of hard while filming, but just take a hammer and just pound it out. Just like that. Almost. And then just slides off. So this project is going to be a all original restoration. And the trim on the outside is in pretty good shape all the way down. And so I'm not going to use the pry it off with a screwdriver method. So I'm going to take a pair of vice grips, and then on the inside of the door, you can see the trim clips. I'm just going to pinch it so that it's small enough to go back through the hole. You can see I already did that one, and then that one I'll do right now. So you can see that now it's just pinched so that it's small enough to come back through its hole. That's going to wrap it up for today. Car is torn apart for the most part. I still got some stuff to do, like the headliner, which I'm dreading because taking out old headliners is horrible. It's disgusting, and stuff falls in your face. But the rest of the grossness is out. I'm always extremely amazed by just how much stuff can come out of such a small car. It's not bad in here. It's definitely not as bad as this car was, but there are some holes, some stuff to deal with. So the next videos are probably going to be rust repair on this thing. This car has potential. Should be good.